Bonjour. Today we are going to read lesson number 9. On prépare la fête. On means one, we, or sometimes they. So we prepare for the party. La fête means party. It also means special day, right? Or festival. Party, special day or festival. Now, le professeur a demandé. The professor has, this means has and this means asked. The professor has asked to the students, aux étudiants. Le professeur a demandé aux étudiants de préparer means to prepare, la journée de clôture. Otherwise, la journée means the day, de means off and from, here it means off, and clôture is closing. So that means the closing day. The professor has asked the students to prepare for the closing day. Right? Les étudiants, the students, se discuss with each other. Discuss among themselves. So, student A says, quelle date, which date, propose you pour la journée de clôture. Pour means for, la journée de clôture means for the closing day. So A asks, what date, which date propose you for the closing day? Then student B says, le 21 août, 21st August. C'est le vendredi, same is it is and this is, and le vendredi is a day, Friday. Fine. So student B says 21st August. So which and it is Friday. Then student C says no, les parents, the parents, travaillent, are working or they work. Il means they, ne peuvent pas, per means can, and pa and ne means not, so they cannot venir, they cannot come. Le vendredi, on Friday, parents are working, so they cannot come on Friday. Then student B says, alors, well, samedi Saturday, le 22 août, so fine, then Saturday 22nd August. Then student A says, we, yes, we fix cette date, this date, that is 22nd August, Saturday. Student C says, où means where. If this accent is not there, that means or, but here accent is there, so this word means where. Est means is it that. On va organiser, one is going to organize la fête, that special day. Where we are going to organize that special day. Student A says, dans le terrain de sport. Dans means in, le terrain de sport means sports ground. Then he also says, que dites-vous? Que means what, dites means say, and vous means you. What do you say? Then student C says, asks, combien d'étudiants, that about this sports ground, what do you say? Then student C asks, combien d'étudiants, how many students, combien d'étudiants, y a-t-il means are there, en total, in total, how many students are there? So accordingly, they will decide the venue. Participant B says, il y a, these three words, il y a means there are, environ means approximately, around, about, 200 étudiants, students. There are around approximately 200 students. Then student C says, bon, good, donc, therefore, donc means therefore, le terrain de sport, sports ground, c'est bien, it's good. Right? Il est, here this il means it means he also, but here it means it. Il est, it is, assez means enough, grand, big, it is enough big, that sports ground. Then student A asks, Quelle activité, quelle means which, sometimes it means what also. Quelle activité, which activities, proposons-nous, are we proposing. Then student B says, on va proposer, we are going to propose. Va means is going, are going. So we are going to propose les sports, the sports, com means like. Course means races. Saut is jump, high jump and long jump. Tir is shooting. Corde à sauter, cord means rope to jump, that is skipping. Lancer is throw, javelin throw, discus throw, etc. Then student A says bonne idée, good idea. A and Eleora means there will be. These three words, see this Ilia, this is in present, this means there is, there are. Now this is in future, a verb in future, so this means there will be. Un goûter is snacks. Après means after, so after that there will be snacks. A means and. On reçoit, we receive. Des prix means prizes, right? Then student C asks, qui est-ce, qui means whom, is it that. Nous allons, we are going. Inviter, we are going to invite. Comme as. Invité d'honneur, guest of honor. Invité is guest of honor. Then student B says, nous allons inviter, we are going to invite. Le maire. Sa présence, his or her presence. Va motiver, is going to motivate. Les étudiants, the students. Then student C says, bon, good. Tout est fait means all is done. Tout means all, is, and fait is done. Tout est fait. I am reading it once again, only in French. Il y a environ 200 étudiants. Bon, donc, le terrain de sport, c'est bien. Il est assez grand. Quelle activité proposons-nous? On va proposer les sports comme course, saut, tir, corde à sauter, lancer, etc. Bonne idée, et il y aura un goûter après, et on reçoit des prix. Qui est-ce nous allons inviter comme invité d'honneur? Nous allons inviter le maire. Sa présence va motiver les étudiants. Bon, tout est fait.